Welcome to Astro MNC annual horoscope. This time it is Mithun Rashi, Gemini moon sign. Gemini moon sign is characterized by, in 2022, Gemini moon sign keywords are ninth Guru until April. From April it is 10th Guru, 8th Shani for the whole year until January 2023. And Rahu and Ketu is most favorable change to Mithun Rashi. Rahu Ketu will change on 16th March 2022 to Mesh Rashi and to Tula Rashi. That is the most favorable for Mithun Rashi. So that is a major change for Mithun Rashi. So ninth Guru until April 2022 was also there from April 2021 to September 14th 2021. But it was predominantly for Mriga Nakshatra and partly for Ardra Nakshatra. Now whole Mithun Rashi will see ninth house Guru benefits from 20th November 2021 to 12th April 2022. Ninth Guru is strategic success, multi-year programs, promotion, good image, good recognition, award, start of multi-year programs, start of strategic programs. 8th Guru 2021 was more of a programs that are ill-conceived or temporary or not seeing light of the day, like many initiatives closed down in 8th Guru. So now, but that your hard work will give you strategic multi-year programs, at least 3 years program, 3 year programs in 9th Guru by April 2022. Your own growth in 9th Guru will have some too much of work, too much to do in 10th Guru from 12 months from April 2022. So 12 months from April 2022 is too much to do, too much hard work, too much fatigue, lot of work on your plate, and there is a acute stress and acute character test, Sattva Pariksha. Character test also with respect to fatigue, but with hard work, but also with your skill test. 10th Guru is expansion, business house Guru. 10th house Guru is great, but Guru is what? Knowledge and education. So unless you acquire additional knowledge and additional skills, specific skills, 10th Guru is challenging. So you are challenged with your knowledge and you are given expansion and growth as per your knowledge. So people who are into specific knowledge, subject matter experts will find 10th Guru challenging with time management, but very happening. Great success. People who are in management or not so specifically as an SME, they might find it very challenging because they will have to depend on experts and knowledge experts. So sometimes gadhe ke pair padna, gada nahi hai, but yeah, pair padna is possible from 12 months from April 2022. Important to acquire niche skills, important to acquire specific subject matter expertise in 10th Guru or find people. Otherwise, you are stuck in office for hours. So that is 10th Guru. Very stressful. There is a possibility of for a few weeks, for a few months, it's possible to report to a person of equal or less ability. Why that happens, how that happens, it's a completely my Astro MNC patent. I have observed it in my career for 20 years. Every year I observed people having 10th Guru being reporting for at least some part time to a person of equal or lesser ability, experience wise, ability wise, whatever. In some respect, they are lesser than you, and it is more very visible to everybody. You have to make just seniors aware of it that this is happening, but you have to keep working hard and make people aware that this is happening. But keep working hard because you will get a better or higher portfolio or equal portfolio. From May 2023 to May 2024, you will be sitting on a better portfolio as that person you are reporting, you might have to report. But reporting is not like full year. It could be for partially, it could be for a few months, few weeks. But you might have to go through that quite a bit. So that is 10th Guru. 8th Shani is tough. Tough, what means that your ability and your knowledge, your skill do not find very big set of customers. Shani is customers, Shani is voters, Shani is bottom of the pyramid. Shani is poor people or middle class people, lower middle class people, people who buy nowadays phone also, but 10,000 rupees phone, or people who buy soaps or like mass market products. So mass market products are currently at odds with you. So your knowledge, your ability, your experience is not aligning to what people need, mass people need. So there is a limit to the growth, which is driven mostly by your knowledge, your subject matter expertise, and not by revenue. So there will be some stress with respect to revenue not increasing as much as your knowledge is. But anyways, it will start catching from 9th Shani, from January 2023. Your customer base will start catching up with your knowledge and your designation. So don't worry about it too much. Yeah, in 2022, 8th Shani will be predominantly observed by Punarvasu Nakshatra of Mithun Rashi, not Karka Rashi, Punarvasu Nakshatra of Mithun Rashi, first 3 charan. So 8th Shani, remedy for 8th Shani is think about end customers. Okay, your knowledge and your ability is for products or services that are required by masses, not just classes. So the more you tune, more you think about end customers, better placed you are. And 8th Shani remedy is that. Other 8th Shani remedy is that you have to look at investments, wealth management. Be careful with wealth management, investment. No gambling. Inheritance issues will trouble you. Show patience. Kids will need detailed micromanagement. Kids just support, moral support will not be enough to kids. They will need some detailing, asking detailed questions, doing some micromanagement. Same case with for students, it's for subjects. Some subject will require writing down things, clerical work. So there will be some clerical work which is to be done in 8th Shani. Handle bosses carefully because 8th Shani will be aspecting 10th house and 5th house. 5th house is achievements, 5th house is about studies, 5th house is knowledge, 10th house is bosses. So 8th Shani will also trouble little bit with these things, and it will poke you to increase your knowledge, also handle bosses well. So 8th Shani is predominantly customers which are not in sync with you. So the more you think about customers, better placed you are. Rahu Ketu change from 16th March 2022 for 18 months. Rahu Shani is going to bless. Rahu Ketu is going to bless you. 11th house Rahu is great income, increase money. 5th house Ketu is perfect use of knowledge and education, working with very high class people. 11th house Rahu is support from different caste, culture, religion people also. 11th house Rahu is support from paternal family. 5th house Ketu is support from maternal family. So DNA will not trouble you. Hereditary issues should not trouble you too much. Yeah, 8th house Shani is there, so there is some inheritance related issues. But yeah, predominantly Rahu Ketu change from 16th of March is a huge change because 12th house Rahu changes to 11th, which is a huge relief. 12th house Rahu is Badnami, getting name tarnished or having some weird health issues. 11th house Rahu is a blessing. So all is well. It becomes much better from January 2023, and from May 2023 to May 2024 you are ruling the world. Thank you. All the best.